Hi everyone. Today in this video we'll see how you can choose a color and turn your windows into a dark mode. You can see my settings. It's not white, it's dark. So I'll just show you how I have did this. So let's get started. So, you might be aware of the recent new update to Mac, where even the file explorer is converted to black. Actually, that's a good option. I wish they had this before because when you have something dark, it will not strain your eyes that much. Like imagine you are working on like your system for 8 to 10 hours in a day, and you are exposed to that white. High like nowadays the LED lights which we are having is full HD screens. So we'll discuss on this background after I'll show you how to do that. So open your settings. You can open settings through start or as well as Windows I is one shortcut. Windows I you can use it, and there you can search for colors and just for color settings, and click on color settings. You can see an option called choose your color. So you have to have admin rights. I guess admin rights are required because I'm the admin, that's why it's showing, but when I've tried to do this on non-admin system it didn't allow me. So if you click on choose your colors, and if you scroll little down, you can see an option called choose your default app mode. There are two options, light and dark. I've selected dark, that's why you can see the window of settings as background black. If I click on light, you can see it has turned light. So this way you can change the colored mode. Click on dark, but there's some issue with my update. I'm not able to see the Explorer as dark. Like you can see the Explorer is still white. I don't know why, but they say if you open it in a safe mode, it'll be white. But I wasn't that I was lazy enough to not try that. But if you wish, you can do try that as well. There are some articles online, but at least through this dark mode, if you just turn dark mode, and even if your file explorer turns dark, that will be of a great help to you. So this is one of the very useful options. So coming back to what were the benefits of dark mode. So compared to white, dark is little soothing to eyes. You can sit for a little longer and your eyes don't get strained. And nowadays you have dark mode. So for example, if you're a software engineer, then even a lot of apps, a lot of IDs are providing the dark mode, saying like IntelliJ, Sublime, even Notepad++ has one plugin to make it a dark mode. I'll just show you my Notepad++. Even that's dark. You can see even the Notepad++ is dark. So this way it'll be a little soothing for your eyes, and it's a very useful feature. Give it a try, and you'll definitely like it. Thanks a lot for watching these videos. If you have liked this video, then do like this video. It will be very motivating for me to make more videos of similar kind, and subscribe to this channel for more informative and related videos. And if you have any tech or money related queries, let me know through the comment section. I'll try to make a video and help you through that. Bye. Have a nice day.
You say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a